Trump says US and China will sign trade deal in January. Washington, President Donald Trump said Tuesday that the United States and China would sign a very large and comprehensive trade deal at the White House on January 15, though exact details of the agreement were not released. The signing would cement the first phase of an agreement that took nearly 2 years to negotiate and would formalize a trade truce between the world's two largest economies. The president, who announced the date of the ceremony on Twitter, said that high-level representatives of China would attend the signing ceremony and that he planned to travel to China at a later date to begin talks on the second phase of the agreement. Trump did not say whether Xi Jinping, the Chinese leader, would be in attendance or name any representatives from China who might attend the ceremony. Text of the agreement, reached in mid-December, has not been made public and its exact contents have yet to be fully vetted by experts or the many businesses that have suffered from the protracted trade fight with China. The deal would reduce only a small portion of the tariffs Trump imposed on $360 billion worth of Chinese goods, leaving many levies in place. Officials from both countries have said that the agreement includes commitments from China to increase purchases of American farm and energy products, places limits on Beijing's ability to weaken its currency and provides enhanced protections to American companies doing business in China. The agreement also would reduce tariffs on about $120 billion worth of goods, and forestalled new tariffs that were scheduled for December 15. In announcing the agreement, the United States said that China's farm purchases were expected to grow to at least $40 billion annually over a period of 2 years and that total exports of food, energy, manufactured goods and services to China would increase by a total of $200 billion. Chinese officials, however, have remained vague when describing what they agreed to buy and on what timeline. Details on China's purchase commitments could be left out of the text of the agreement that is made public because officials have been concerned that commodities markets could be distorted if such information is released. The deal is expected to have some flexibility so that China can tailor its purchases to market demand. Peter Navarro, the White House trade advisor, told CNBC on Tuesday that the U.S. negotiating team was working out the final details before the signing, which had been expected during the first week of January. "We're just waiting for the Chinese translation of the 86-page agreement," he said. The trade dispute between the United States and China rattled the world economy during the last 19 months as both countries raised tariffs and other trade barriers while negotiations sputtered and stalled. By breaking T for more on this story, visit the news article link.